Hi and welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the agile methodology. Okay, so let's start. So here we have the contents. First, we will take an overview of the methodology in software development. Then, what is agile methodology? Number third, the framework of agile methodology. Number four, agile methodology principles. Then number fifth, alternatives to agile methodology. Okay. So let's start from the methodology in software development. So here we have the methodology in software development. You can see a methodology in software development is a structured approach to designing, developing, testing, and maintaining software. Okay. Actually, it defines how the process will be managed and executed. The choice of methodology impacts how a software project is planned, structured, and executed. Okay. So next we have the what is agile methodology. So here you can see we have here the definition. What is agile methodology? Agile methodology is a project management approach that emphasizes incremental development and iterative progress. So next we have the what is agile methodology. Agile methodology is a project management approach that emphasizes incremental development and iterative progress, prioritizing flexibility and collaboration over rigid plan. Okay, so actually agile methodology is a flexible, iterative approach to software development. It emphasizes collaboration, customer feedback, and the ability to respond to change. Then Agile focuses on delivering small functional pieces of software frequently. The often in the 1 to 4 week cycle, so which helps team adapt to evolving requirements. Okay. So next we have the framework of agile methodology. Okay, so here you can see the framework of agile methodology. Agile frameworks are the specific approaches to implementing agile principles in a structured way. Some popular frameworks include Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming. Okay, actually, these frameworks define roles, processes, and artifacts that guide team in managing their work efficiently while adhering to agile values. Okay. Next, we have the agile methodology principles. Okay, so agile methodology principles. So the agile manifesto outlines 12 principles that emphasizes the values such as customer collaboration, responsiveness to change, and delivering functional software frequently. So, key principles include here we have the six principles. First, we have the six principles on the first page. Then we have six principles on the second page. So, first we will take the overview of these six principles. So, number one, you can see we have the customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery. Okay, so in agile, instead of waiting for the full project to finish, deliver small pieces of work early and often. So this keeps the customer happy because they can see progress and use parts of the product earlier. Okay, the second we have welcome changing requirements. So even if the product is already in progress, if the customer wants some changes, accept them. Agile is flexible and understand that needs can evolve. Okay. Number third, we have deliver working software frequently. So don't wait until the end. Deliver a working version of the software regularly, like every few weeks. So this way, the everyone can see and test the real product early and often, actually it's very important and it's very useful in agile. Okay, so Next, we have the business and developers must work together daily. Okay, so actually, means you can see the communication between the business people, like the client or managers, and developers must happen every day. So this helps to solve problems faster and keep everyone on the same page. Then we have built product around motivated individuals. So choose people who are skilled and motivated. Trust them to do their work without micromanaging. Okay. So a motivated team product better results. So then we have here the face-to-face communication. Okay, so actually talking directly in person or through video calls is the best way to share the information quickly and clearly. So emails and the documents are slower, and can cause misunderstanding in business. Okay, so next we will discuss the six more, the agile methodology principles. So next we have the working software is the primary measures of the progress. So progress should be judged by how much working software is completed, even not by how many documents are written or how many meetings were held. Okay, then we have the sustainable development. So it means the team should work at a steady pace they can maintain over time. So no exhausting over time or rushing. So good, the steady work leads to better quality. Okay. After that, we have the continuous attention to technical excellence and the good design. So always focus on writing clean, high quality code and designing the system well. So good technical work makes the software easier to maintain and improve. After that, we have the simplicity. So do only what is necessary. No extra features or complex designs. Okay, so keep everyone as simple as possible. Simples, the solution are easier to build and change. After that, we have the self-organizing team. Okay, so in this, in agile methodology, let the team decide how best to do their work. They should organize themselves, assign tasks, and make a decision without needy heavy management. Then in the last, we have here the reflect and adjust regularly. Okay, so after every project phase or a sprint, the team should think about what went well and what could be better, and then make changes to the improve. Okay, so these were the 12 principles of the agile methodology. Okay, so after that, we have the alternatives to agile methodology. Okay, so here we have the alternatives to agile methodology. There are several, you can say, alternatives to agile methodology that can be cast in software development. These are included. So first we have here the waterfall model. A waterfall model is a linear sequential approach where each phase must be completed before moving to the next. So it's ideal for projects with the clear, unchanging requirements. Okay. So after that, we have the V model. So actually, V model is the similar to waterfall, but with the focus on testing at each stage. Then we have the Cipral model. Actually, a Cipral model, you can say a risk-driven model that combines the elements of the iterative development with a focus on risk management. Okay. Then in the last we have the DevOps. So DevOps is actually a methodology that focuses on automation and integration between the development and operations to improve software delivery on the speedy and with the best quality. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.